Does this sound familiar? Peter is a rising star in your organization. He has produced exceptional results and he has pulled his division from bankruptcy. He is the company's C-suite rising star. And yet, his abrasive behavior has caused 3 times more turnover than the rest of the organization. And then there's George. He's a brilliant cardiologist, one of the best in the country. However, his deplorable bedside manner is ruining the hospital's reputation. Peter and George are what I call brilliant jerks. They have high IQ and low EQ. They are interpersonally blind. Their behavior must change. So how do you inspire them to change? It's all in the approach. First, ask questions. Understand what the brilliant jerk is trying to accomplish. What recognition do they want? What's important to them? What is their perception of the situation? Listen neutrally. Don't judge. Don't accuse if you haven't personally witnessed the bad behavior. And don't get into an endless debate about facts. Do your research. Interview stakeholders and come back with irrefutable data on how these brilliant jerks are perceived. Are they remembered for what they say or how they say it? Now only can you state the disconnect between what they are trying to accomplish and the feedback, how they are coming across. And lastly, co-create an action plan based on the feedback and what the brilliant jerk wants. These tips are a small part of what we use in our coaching program called Inspiring Brilliant Jerks into Brilliant Leaders. As an objective outside party, we inspire brilliant jerks to modify and sustain their improved behavior for the long term. If you are dealing with a brilliant jerk on your leadership team that is too brilliant to lose, but too exhausting to manage, let's strategize how to transform the brilliant jerk into a brilliant leader. To see if you qualify for a complimentary strategy session, visit excellentexecutivecoaching.com. I'll be there.